Thank you for joining us for today's video on how the Red Dot Income Fund deploys the money that it raises. The short answer is we are using investor capital to acquire Class A single-family homes in a tight proximity to major military bases all across the U.S. Our tenants, active duty military service members. But let me actually take you through the process. We're going from you investing into the fund to the monthly returns that are sent back to you. On a daily basis, our team and I analyze every home that just came on the market. We're reviewing the information, the seller situation, and of course, the quality and condition of the home. Homes that pass our due diligence are sent to our website, operationreddot.com, for our clients to view. Houses that don't pass due diligence are permanently discarded and will not be shown on the website. Through over a dozen lead sources, military families are connected with our interactive map that shows them all the options that are currently available to them and tells them exactly what these houses would rent for if we purchase it on their behalf. Families can apply right from the website, or if they so choose, they can jump on a video or phone call with our customer service team to get answers to all of their questions. Once they're approved in the program, applicants are given a max rent price and taken house hunting with one of our licensed showing agents. The applicant will ultimately select just one home to pursue. They will sign a preemptive lease in addition to submitting a full security deposit. This is actually where your investment comes in. Now that we have an approved applicant who has a signed lease and submitted a deposit, it's time for our acquisitions team to go to work. At this point, we aggressively pursue the home by writing a competitive offer and getting the home under contract. Depending on the seller's situation, we are closing homes anywhere from 14 to 30 days and moving the tenants in as soon as possible. After 90 days, the tenant's option to purchase is activated, and our marketing campaigns incentivize our tenants to purchase the home. The hard asset that your investment goes to will cash flow with guaranteed rent as long as the tenant remains in the property. This ensures we virtually hold no vacant inventory. To be clear, we are not acquiring a property until we have an approved military tenant lined up and ready to go. Our investment principles can be synthesized in this way. We only want to buy nice houses that have the highest likelihood of our tenants actually buying them with their option to purchase. This means we're looking for turnkey, Class A homes that have very little to no deferred maintenance and no major expected capital expenditures in the next 5 years. The more turnkey the property is, the higher the chances that our tenants will use their option and purchase the home. When the tenants do use their option and buy the house, we get the option fee, and the investment gets recycled for the next approved military family in need of housing. Also worth noting here is we designed the overhead of this operation to be as lean as possible, which is why the management fee of this fund is only 1.5% of assets under management. We want as much of the money going towards assets that produce income and option fees for the fund as possible.